Folks, we have a very special guest for you tonight. I'd like to introduce
Let's hear it for the great Mr. Hunt.
In rhythm management. Let's begin.
From the top to the bottom,
bottom to top I stop.
At the core I forgot.
In the middle of my thoughts,
Taking far from my safety.
the picture's there,
The memory won't escape me.
but why should I care?
From the top to the bottom,
Bottom to top I stop.
At the core I forgot.
In the middle of my thoughts,
Taking far from my safety.
the picture's there,
The memory won't escape me.
but why should I care? There's a place so dark you can't see the end. Skies cocked back, shotgun which can't defend. The rain then sends dripping, acidic questions, forcefully the power of suggestion. Then with the eyes shut, looking through the rust and rotten dust, a small spot of light floods the floor and pours over the rusted world of pretend. And the eyes ease open and it's dark again.
From the top to the bottom,
Bottom to top I stop.
At the core I forgot.
In the middle of my thoughts,
Taking far from my safety.
the picture's there,
The memory won't escape me.
but why should I care?
In the memory you'll find me as burning up. The darkness holding me tightly until the sun rises up.
Moving all around, screaming of the ups and downs. Pollution manifested in perpetual sound. The wheels go round and the sunset creeps behind street lamps. Chain link and concrete, a little piece of paper with a picture drawn floats on down the street till the wind is gone. And the memory now is like the picture was then. When the paper's crumpled up, it can't be perfect again.
From the top to the bottom,
Bottom to top I stop.
At the core I forgot.
In the middle of my thoughts,
Taking far from my safety.
the picture's there,
The memory won't escape me.
but why should I care?
From the top to the bottom,
Bottom to top I stop.
At the core I forgot.
In the middle of my thoughts,
Taking far from my safety.
the picture's there,
The memory won't escape me.
but why should I care?
In the memory you'll find me as burning up. The darkness holding me tightly until the sun rises up.
Now you got me caught in the act, you bring the thought back, telling you that I see it right through you. Now you got me caught in the act, you bring the thought back, telling you that I see it right through you. Now you got me caught in the act, you bring the thought back, telling you that I see it right through you. Now you got me caught in the act, you bring the thought back, telling you that I see it right through you. Now you got me caught in the act, you bring the thought back, telling you that I see it right through you. Now you got me caught in the act, you bring the thought back, telling you that I see it right through you. Now you got me caught in the act, you bring the thought back, telling you that I see it right through you.
In the memory you'll find me as burning up. The darkness holding me tightly until the sun rises up. In the memory you will find me as burning up. The darkness holding me tightly until the sun rises up. I cannot take this anymore. Saying everything I've said before. All these words, they make no sense. I find bliss in ignorance. Less I hear, the less you say. You'll find that out anyway. Just like before. Everything you say to me takes me one step closer to the edge. And I'm about to break. I need a little room to breathe. 'Cause I'm one step closer to the edge. I'm about to break. I find the answers aren't so clear. Wish I could find a way to disappear. All these thoughts, they make no sense.
I watch how the moon sits in the sky on a dark night, shining with the light from the sun. The sun doesn't give light to the moon, assuming the moon's gonna owe it one. It makes me think of how you act to me. You do favors there rapidly. You just turn around and start asking me about things that you want back from me. I'm sick of the tension, sick of the hunger, sick of you acting like I owe you this. Find another place to feed your greed while I find a place to rest.
I wanna be in another place. I hate when you say you don't understand. I wanna be in the energy, not with the enemy up is on my head.
Maybe someday I'll be just like you and step on people like you do and run away all the people I thought I knew. I remember back then who you were. You used to be calm, used to be strong, used to be generous, but you should have known that you wear out your welcome, and now you see how quiet it is all alone. I'm so sick of the tension, sick of the hunger, sick of you acting like I owe you this. Find another place to feed your greed while I find a place to rest. I'm so sick of the tension, sick of the hunger, sick of you acting like I owe you this. Find another place to feed your greed while I find a place to rest.
I wanna be in another place. I hate when you say you don't understand. I wanna be in the energy, not with the enemy up is on my head. You try to take the best of me, go away. You try to take the best of me, go away. You try to take the best of me, go away. You try to take the best of me, go away. You try to take the best of me, go away. You try to take the best of me, go away. You try to take the best of me, go away. You try to take the best of me, go away. I wanna be in another place. I hate when you say you don't understand. I wanna be in the energy, not with the enemy up is on my head.
I am so sick of the tension, sick of the hunger, sick of you acting like I owe you this. Find another place to feed your greed while I find a place to rest. I'm so sick of the tension, sick of the hunger, sick of you acting like I owe you this. Find another place to feed your greed while I find a place to rest.
Just do something to tell you who I am, you know?
It's high voltage, you can't shake the shock because nobody wants it to stop. Check it out, it's high voltage, you can't shake the shock because nobody wants it to stop. Check it out, it's high voltage, you can't shake the shock because nobody wants it to stop. Check it out, it's high voltage, you can't shake the shock because nobody wants it to stop. Check it out.
I've been digging in the crates ever since I was living in space. Before the rat race, before monkeys had human traits. Mastered numerology and Big Bang theology. Performed lobotomies with telekinetic psychology. Invented the mic so I could start blessing it and chin-checking kids to make my point like an impressionist. Many men have tried to shake us, but I twist my chords to double helixes and show them what I'm made of. I buckle knees like leg braces, cast a spell of instrumentalness on all of the MCs that hate us. So try on, leave you without a shoulder to cry on. From now to infinity, let icons be bygones. I firebomb, ghostly notes haunt this. I tried threats, but moved on to a promise. I stomp shit with or without an accomplice. The stamp of approval that's on this.
High voltage, you can't shake the shock because nobody wants it to stop. Check it out, it's high voltage, you can't shake the shock because nobody wants it to stop. Check it out.
Put a kink in the backbones of clones with microphones and never satisfy my rhyme tones. Spraying bright day over what you might say. Blood type Krylon, Technicolor type A. On highways, right with road rage. On pages of wind and cages of tin that bounce all around in surround sound. Devouring the scene, subliminal gangrene paintings. Over all the same thing, sing song, karaoke, copy madness. Break bones verbally with sticks and stone tactics. Fourth dimension, combat convention. Write rhymes at ease while the tracks stand at attention. Meant to put you away with the pencil, pistol, official, 16-line, rhyme missile. While you risk your all, I pick out all your flaws, spinning off, blah, 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 you could say you saw.